Okay, good morning. So now this is the second part of the video on how to install and configure Snort as a intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system. So from the last video we stopped at number 10. So we're here now, right here. Services, then Snort. Okay, so in the updates, you see all my rules are updated. So I will discuss separate, we call this separate topic about the Snort rules, or what are the rules, built-in rules that Snort has that we downloaded that will be used to monitor the system. So basically there are flags that you need to flags that Snort can monitor as an intrusion detection system, meaning there's already a list of predefined threats that Snort can monitor. That's why we downloaded all the necessary libraries and updates. So now going back to number 11, so we're going to Snort interface section and we're gonna click add. So here, Snort interfaces. So we don't have any interface to monitor yet. So basically, we're gonna look at the interface that we can monitor. So in our case, the interface that we're gonna monitor is our network coming from the wide area network. So if you imagine it like this, so we have here our network, let's say, so we need shapes. So let's say this is our Snort, this is our pfSense, and then we have interfaces in the pfSense. We have one for LAN and one for WAN. Sorry, example, imagine this as your LAN port and WAN port. So this port is where, what we call this, the cables are connected, in which it connects to the LAN and the network. So take note that pfSense requires at least two network interface cards. So let's say one port connects to the internet. That's why this serves as a firewall. So whatever is, this is our one interface, or wide area network interface. While the other one, which is what we call the LAN interface, is connected to our internal network. So basically, Snort will monitor our internal network if there's any access going out, which is could be a future threat, and any traffic that comes from the internet going to our network will be monitored. So basically, it's inbound and outbound monitoring. Okay, sorry about that. So now, going back to our steps, we are now under step 11. We're going to Snort interface section and we're gonna click add. Alright. So we're going to set, under general setting, we're gonna check enable interface, which is this one. And we're gonna select our one from the interface. It makes sense because we are gonna monitor any traffic that comes in and out of our network from the internet. Okay, so this one, we're gonna monitor our one. You can also create a Snort to monitor your LAN. You can create many interfaces that you want to monitor, but we want to monitor our one first, or wide area network, and then just give it a name, one. So you just leave it as it is. Okay. So under alert settings, we're gonna click send alerts to system log. So here we're gonna check Snort will send alerts to the firewall system.log, so we can check what are the activities that's going in and out of our network. Okay, so So we just leave it here. And then under detection performance settings, this one, we're gonna check search optimize. Okay, we're gonna leave everything as it is. This one, we're just gonna leave it default. Alert type is default jua. And we're just gonna click save. Okay. So basically, if you go now to Snort interfaces, we already have an interface that we can monitor. So we're monitoring R1. So we still haven't enabled the monitoring because we need to do some configurations like it. Okay, so that one will be continued on the next video.